This is a little Fender Stratocaster made overseas called a Cortley. It's reversed because I'm using the self mode here. Bullet Strat, that's common in the 70s. Except it's got the 4-bolt, which Fender had both 3 and 4. This is just a little channel reviewing for friends and family, but if you're coming in from overseas or you're a pro, probably be kind of boring for you. But this is a guitar we're trying to reset up for my friend. I have the ashtray top for it, which is the silver. This is the Fender one, so it won't fit, but it's just like this one. And those covers, for those of you who don't know, they're wonderful over these bridges. I don't know why Fender doesn't typically do it any longer, but that's a wonderful thing, so your other hand's not getting ripped up. And it also helps with tone. So that's the middle position. This is as muddy as it gets, or warm, depending on your terminology. That's about middle with treble blend. Nice tone to it, and this is as treble as it goes in the middle. And then there's no tone control, just like a regular Fender Strat, at least until recently, on the bridge pickup, so it's ice pick mode. Very treble. And of course the theory was to cut through the bands, so that's without any gain and any tools or pedals. It's just the guitar and me. Less biting than some of the other Strats. Again, this is an Asian Strat. Very comfortable. It's a nice rounding to it. Again, in the most treble mode. Most muddy mode, or warm. Midway, this is all the middle pickup. Beautiful tone to it. So there you have it. We don't have the neck pickup running yet, but this is a 1970s Asian version of a standard Stratocaster, and a Sunburst, obviously. And then back here where the springs would be, 4-bolt. We had 3 later on as well. And this is the Bullet Truss Rod Cortley. And I'm Greg, and thank you for visiting, and hope you had a good time. And we're going to try to take this bad boy out and use it at the pub. Talk to you soon.